Warning, never use these plastic liners for your crock pot if you care about your health and your family's health. Why am I saying that? There's a lot of things in the conversation of health that might be in the middle range of controversial. This is not. And they're using greenwashing. What that means is they're using a term that makes you think that it's healthy. BPA free, that's one chemical out of 15,000 that comes in plastics. And why is that important? Plastics cause endocrine disruptors. That means it goes to the ovaries, the testicles, disrupts your estrogen, your hormone. Many studies on PubMed.gov, I just brought up 3 out of 2,800 that talks about when they study animals with this, it was actually causing alterations in behavior, aggressiveness, activity, and predator avoidance. Study after study, threat to human safety, the ovarian-related effects of plastics. It is not controversial, people. Stay away from these things.